Well, some people might call a media kit a press kit, but either way, online today, you're going to have social media image sizes as part of the kit. And what I've done is I grab a Google document. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, look at this title, Media Kit Image Sizes. That updated Media Kit guide that I did the other day has got this link in it, as well as the socialpilot.co blog post that has social media image sizes that are current for 2024, and let's hope they don't change anytime soon. So if you need the link to the press kit guide, it's in there as well. So head on over to that Google document at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.